My name is Marina. I'm going to teach you today some good to know words in Swedish. Let's start with hello. There are quite a few words in Swedish that means hello. You can, for instance, say hej, hej, or hallå, hallå, or tjena, tjena. Let's move to another expression. Thank you. Tack, tack. So then, let's turn to the goodbye. There are several expressions that we use in Swedish. We can say hej då, or we can say vi ses, or we can say vi ses senare. The two last expressions really mean see you or see you later. And then, how do we then interpret please? The Swedish word for please is snälla. Snälla. Now, a couple of words that are really good to know. The Swedish word for yes is ja. Ja. The Swedish word for no is nej. Nej. This was a very short Swedish lesson, but I hope that you enjoyed it. Tack så mycket. Vi ses senare.